Welcome back. Sorry for the lack of videos or vlogs. I've been away on a holiday. I've come back sick, blocked ear, need a haircut, but it was a cracker holiday. So, what's in store today? We got a few maintenance washes for our regulars this morning, and then we got an XY sitting at home, ready to be completely paint corrected. What else we got today? An accountant, gonna pay the tax man, and maybe a bit of work on the straight if we have time. But I think this XY is gonna take up all our time today and in the next few days. Actually, it's a big job. Products are going well. People are loving it. Feedback's been great. If you haven't bought any yet, hop on our site, grab some, and let us know what you think about them. Jeez. This is the project for the next few days. The man himself, pathologist, paint correctionist, swirl removalist. Show us. Let me just zoom into that for a sec. Oh yeah, nice. Wow. Very nice. Tough paint. Very tough paint. But looking at
XY GT.
just done a test patch. As you can see where we've done it, it is flawless. This is what it looked like before. Then two-stage correction. We did another test patch here, but it wasn't perfect. Let's try a different combo. As you can see, there's still a little bit. This combination right here. Paint.
What dreams are made of, mate?
Right. What was that? You want a macchiato as well?
Don't mind, that would be superb.
So, Rob's old coffee machine died. Got a new one. A DeLonghi. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. No. 1 sec. This coffee machine's talking to me. Because it was a hectic 2 days, just concluded for us.
Okay, so how many days did you say it was?
2, wasn't it? 3.
For 1 full day, and then there was
2 half days.
Yeah, all right, say 2 days. So
Between 2 of us.
between 2 of us. So what we did was a lot. So we ended up doing a 3-stage correction. So we got the paint back a fair bit. Not a fair bit, but we did a decent amount of cutting. But we're trying to keep it as thick as possible. Got rid of a lot of orange peel. A lot of swirls. The swirls were pretty bad. This paint it's a very hard paint, which was good because it's hard to mark, but it was just really hard to work with. So we've done all that. We've sealed it off with 2 coats of wax. We take all the pinstriping when we're doing all the cutting, and then on the last stage, I took the tape off and went over all the stickers and striping because there were scratches in those as well, and we got those scratches out. So we've done all that, polished up all the chrome work, wheels, interior, touched up the black a little bit as well. Engine bay was done. So yeah, like Phil said, it's been a massive 2 days, but we're very happy with the outcome, and it's been probably up there. What do you reckon, Phil? With some of the cars we've done.
Oh yeah.
Correction. The paint's unbelievable.
Top 10.
The customer's going to love it. He's going to absolutely love it. He's been waiting a long time to do it, just because he was doing so much with the build of the car itself. And that's about it. Just can't wait to see the smile on his face.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Happy days.
Now I'll take your dog for a walk.
Cash. Hey, where's the money, mate?